In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails within Monday.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your email automation set up, allowing you to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once there, locate the login button in the upper right corner of the page and give it a click. This will take you to the login page. Now you have the option to sign in using your Google account or manually input the email address you'll be working with. If you opt for Google, make sure to select the appropriate email address from the options that appear. After successfully logging in, head over to the board you wish to automate. In your board, look for the Automate button, which will usually be located at the top of your board view. Clicking on this will present you with a range of automation possibilities. Next, select Add Automation, which will open a list of potential triggers. For this tutorial, let's use the status column as our trigger example. By clicking on the blank trigger, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose conditions such as status changes to something. Once the drop-down appears, click on status and ensure you select the appropriate column. In our case, it's the status column. Now proceed to click on something in the automation setup and select done, though remember you've got other options available depending on your needs. Now that the trigger is set, it's time to define the action. Look for the Then Do This section. When the drop-down appears, type Gmail into the search bar. Select it to set up your email action. You'll need to click on the Gmail icon and choose the specific Gmail account you want to use for sending out emails. Now click on Email and type in the message that you want to be automatically sent. Craft this message carefully to ensure clarity and relevance for recipients. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have automated the task, so whenever there are status changes on your board, Monday.com will automatically send out the email you've drafted to the designated recipient. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an email automation in Monday.com. This process not only saves you time, but also enhances productivity by reducing manual tasks. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you find this automation feature as valuable as I do in managing your workflows. If this was helpful, stay tuned for more insightful guides and tips. Happy automating!